Hey Nicole. What's up, Taha? Reflex. Sahil, yo yo.
Good day.
Yo.
I had a long chat with one of the FTMO reps
Yeah?
yesterday. Yeah, he seemed really good actually.
What does that mean? What do you mean?
Well, I asked a bunch of questions and it wasn't like your standard like support rep that just kind of
Hmm. Gotcha.
he kind of
He actually answered your questions.
well, yeah, and made suggestions and like I was like, whoa. I emailed myself a transcript of it just to keep it. So yeah. Um I was impressed actually. Oh, and my stats finally updated.
They did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Um, I think they did something to get it unstuck because I sent in a support ticket.
So maybe it was just stuck.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe on the demo accounts yeah, whatever.
Yo, Paul, how you doing?
Yep. Thank you, Sebastian. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I really want to hit 10K Instagram followers, then I can do that story, like swipe up stuff. It'll make it so much easier. Uh, I already marked up my analysis, but I'll walk you guys through it in 10, 15 minutes once everyone gets here. But I'm gonna go make sure I have the comments on for watching recorded videos. I don't know why they wouldn't be. I don't even know where to go to do that. Oh, here, comments maybe. Swipe up, yeah. What up, Wix?
Yo, yo.
How's it going?
It's going good. What about you?
Chilling.
Just another day in quarantine.
Yeah, pretty much. Trying to figure out how to. Someone told me my comments don't replay live, but I'm pretty sure they do. I mean,
Like, what do you mean? Like, when someone watches it back?
yeah, like when someone watches like yesterday's, someone said the
Oh,
comments don't work.
yeah, I'm not sure.
I think did I click the live one or? Okay, no, that's. Maybe because I'm live right now I can't. They do? Okay. I could have swore they did. Oh, no wonder I clicked the one that was live. That's why. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's on. Okay, sweet. I thought it was, but someone said it wasn't. Trying to lie to me. Nope, I'm looking for buys. I'm not looking for sells. The gray and blue vertical lines are my session times. So the little skinny one you see, Dan, that is a new daily candle starting. So this is probably a new daily just started. No, or not. Well, this is the new day for the session, I guess. So I think the new daily wick is this guy right here. But it's just a day separator. But the blue is from my New York session. So anytime I go look back in time, I see anything blue is where I'd be looking at the chart in New York. Anything gray is when I'd be looking at the chart in Asian. Everything in between is nothing I would be looking at, so it's not important. Yep, custom time zones or custom session times. Yep, yeah, it works. I saw. Yep, yeah, I caught sells in New York. Where was it? After this candle, I caught sells once we broke below here, and then I secured profit down here. It was a pretty good session. I don't know. GJ's been hooking me up. GA also, so no complaints from me. Yep, no problem, Dan. I'm gonna go grab a soda. I'll be back.
Man, they're finally lifting restrictions on like what you can do with like coronavirus right now. So restaurants are gonna be open and movie theaters.
What about the gym? Will the gym be open?
No, the gym's not gonna be open yet, at least not in Texas.
That's in Texas only, or is it like everywhere in USA?
I think it's
Georgia's
just, like,
completely open.
It's fully open?
Georgia is. Gyms, hair salon, tattoo parlor.
Where I'm from, everything's still shut down.
Yeah, I'm in Jersey. Everything is locked down.
I can't imagine Wisconsin opening up anytime soon with Evers.
Dude, I'm just really happy about it because literally the governor said they're gonna reopen the restaurants in Texas a day before my birthday, so I'll be able to have like a birthday dinner at a restaurant, which is fucking awesome.
Just got a question for everybody else in the Zoom chat. Does anybody's else MT4 look completely different from the trading view?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I was looking at UJ, and there's a gap in it. I mean,
I'm talking about GJ specifically. I'm not sure about UJ, but GJ
okay,
specifically.
okay. I don't know. Let me see.
Two to 4 hours max per week, just because anything else in that.
Like that bullish candle is bearish for me
With the what time frame?
on the 30-minute.
Mhm.
Like this, the green bullish candle is bearish for me.
And for me, it's bullish.
Okay.
Yeah, MT4 for me it's bullish as well.
I don't know why my MT4 is tripping. This is
Yeah,
the
How
first.
is that? How is that green candle bearish for you? What is this on your broker?
No
Yeah.
idea. This is the first time it's ever happened.
Can
I'm
wait?
gonna.
Which broker is that?
I use Vantage.
I'm with Vantage.
Okay, I'm gonna just.
Mine is bullish.
I'm gonna reset my Vantage thing and see what happens.
Is that
It won't.
MT4?
It won't change. No, it won't change typically if you're on the broker and you're seeing it that way,
This is weird.
unless you're not seeing that candle and the data hasn't updated. Are you seeing your balance?
Yeah, yeah, everything.
What about if you go to like 5 minute and then back to 30 minute?
Yeah, I just reset it, so I'm gonna see. Because that's the first time this has ever happened to me. I don't know why.
And what does the candle before that look like?
It's just like in consolidation. That's the thing for me.
So it doesn't look like it has that wick going down like that?
1 second, let me just pull it up again. What the fuck? Oh,
I'd be more incredulous, but I've seen it before.
okay. No, it has the. Okay, 1 second.
I mean, I've seen differences on brokers. Like,
No, I've seen differences, but like this is like completely weird. Like so, mine
Yeah.
has like a bearish candle, bullish candle, bearish candle. But see his green bullish candle, it's like a strong. For me, it's a strong bearish candle with the wick at the bottom and everything.
so do you have those two wicks on those
Yeah,
last?
yeah.
And does the second one, does it close up higher than the one before?
The second one. Let me
The
see.
wick
Yeah. It just looks weird.
just looks different, huh?
Yeah, like completely. Like not.
And it's red. It's the other color, right?
Yeah. Wait. Okay, no, I'm just an idiot. Never mind. The thing that's different is this. So for me, where is it gone? Oh, let me clear that. For me, this
Hey, how's it going,
bullish
guys?
candle, this bullish candle goes all the way up here. That's what's different. So I start tripping out. Goes all the way to like the top up here.
Oh, so that could just be the time on the broker's different. So it's, well, on a half an hour candle it shouldn't.
Like
Really?
it's almost it's fully above this bullish candle.
Right. So like half of this candle is inside of that candle, right?
I'm not sure what you mean by that.
Like the first 15 minutes
Yeah,
of
yeah.
is inside that one, and
Yeah, it's
yeah. So it could be a skew. What about your 15 minute?
15 minute. The 15 minute just looks like what basically the 30 minute, like it would be, like under, is representing the 30 minute, like with the big uh bearish candle that goes above everything. It's like weird. Like I don't know how to explain it. I wish I could
I
make it-
have it on mine. I see it. There's a big bearish candle that goes above everything. It has a long wick down, and then there's a small inside which looks as if it were bullish, but it looks like a morning star or whatever.
Yeah, it's just like it's the
And
first
then
time
the
I've ever
next one
seen.
is a little bit larger body, but both wicks, and the wick is small going.
And then this one doesn't have any top wick. For you, does it? Like the bearish candle that's shot all the way up here. It has like no top wick.
Let me see on my broker.
Because it's the first time, like obviously, like there's gonna be differences between everybody.
Well, on my broker it has top wick.
Okay.
The big bullish candle has barely any. I mean, the big bearish candle has almost no top wick.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about, like the bearish candle.
Yeah, has almost no top wick, but
It
it has.
doesn't have
There's
any.
a tiny bit. If I look, the high is 133.342. The open is 133.341. So there's
Like micro.
2 points.
Yeah.
Points difference in that wick.
Like visually, there's none though.
Yeah. It's not that far off. Yeah.
I was just gonna say, you said you're with Vantage, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. My Vantage as well looks totally different than what he has on the screen.
This is like I'm just surprised because this is our first time it's looked different before, but like very slightly.
I have a big bearish candle next to that last up candle.
It's right here, right? This one basically.
Yeah, it's like mine's huge.
Yeah, it goes
With
like
no
all
top
the
wick.
yeah, it goes all the way up to like the top of the
Yeah.
resistance. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. And then the candle before that is also a bullish candle, not a bearish.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sometimes
yeah.
on a Wanda, if you look on TradingView on a Wanda, sometimes you'll see some candles that look pretty messed up.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, like this one's bullish too.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah, I know what you're
And
talking
when I
about.
was when I was trading those on a Wanda, sometimes they don't even register on like the trades.
I just
So
hate.
you'll see it on the chart, but
Yeah.
it won't be in the trade. And
Yeah, it's like sometimes when you're waiting for the high to break and it breaks on TradingView and then you go to your broker and it hasn't.
There's gonna be like I understand there's gonna be slight differences, but like that just pisses me off.
Can you guys have a look on the UJ?
Yeah.
Because the 4-hour basically, it has like a huge gap. It opened below the previous 4-hour.
On the 4 hour, you said?
Yeah. You'll see. At least in mine. In TradingView, there's nothing. It's normal.
Yeah, I have a gap as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. On the last one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
it
do
opened
too.
like 5 pips below.
Yep, I have that.
Yeah.
They're comparing this 4 hour to like the previous one you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
It's bullish, but open 5 pips below the other one closed.
Yeah, when it dropped down to like 30-minute, you can see it more. I think so. Let me see.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, you see it on 30 minutes as well.
Yeah, but it's just like a small gap though.
Yeah. I mean,
I-
for UJ, it's
Yeah, UG also moves so slow. I traded it this morning and I was like, oh my god.
it's way slower.
Okay, yeah, this is just annoying. Fix this.
Is my mic on? Okay. Yo. Yep.
Oh man, today I fucked up on UJ. I tried to force a trade and the price was doing nothing.
Alright, so I'll do analysis on here real quick. I already marked it up, but I'll walk you through it. So I'm going to clear the chart. First thing, came to the 4 hour. Previous 4 hours bullish. So, as most of you know, our bias is bullish above this line. Everything below will be bearish, but it's not bearish until we are below. Then I went down to the hourly. It's like, okay. Maybe wick to fill, form support. Got a little resistance, some clean traffic here. That makes sense. Check the 4 hour again, see where we could go. 4 hour target, I mapped out. This is wick fill here. So 4 hour wick fill. Check out the daily. So this is actually a daily wick fill. Let's change that. And then if we get above there, I would say next target up here. It's a 4-hour target. But it's Asian, so I don't know if we'll actually get that high, but then we have it marked in case we do. So I got the plan. We're looking for buys. We know where we can go. And go 30 minute. Blow it up a little bit. We just need to get above, let's see here. Yep, about here. So we get a close above here. We should be, when we get a new high, we should be good to get up to here. Fill this wick on the daily. And if we break that, maybe even head up higher. But I think we could check the hourly time frame. Break it down a little better. Yeah, once we're above here, we do have clean traffic up to here, so that would make tons of sense. I would say the only issue would maybe be this guy. So we're just gonna say last area to pass clean to 33,959. So then as price is moving, we have ideas planned out in case we get there. So if we wick up to this line and we reject off really hard, probably going to be some sort of reaction here. If we push through here, we know we have clean traffic to this level. So we know if we kind of push past here real quick, we can probably hold it up to this level here. So just preparing for what could happen. Obviously anything above here will be a risk-free runner going. And if we come down once we break that low, I don't think that's going to happen, but I would say if we get below here, maybe take it to here or down to the original support of that range. But if it does come back into here, I don't know if I want to take it because I avoided all of this last week. I didn't really like it. So, we will see. So clean on a 30 minute though. So yeah, there's that area there. Yeah, 30 minutes clean too. So yep. We have very clean traffic. What up, Marvin? I mean, if that's where price goes, that's where it goes. I'm not concerned about anything that happens down here, so whatever does happen underneath this zone, I really do not care until we get down to here. So these wicks they don't mean much to me. I see a low and a higher low. We're kind of inching up, it looks like, so that's what I see. What up, John? Your screen's blurry. You need to update your video quality because we are in very clear 720. What up, po boy? Yeah, I'm hoping we don't get above there until after 6:30, because then news will be passed and we'll be getting close to open. Wow, 346 already. What up, Frankie? Do I include the wick of the previous 4 hour to set bias? Yep, so yeah, the previous 4 hour, you're looking for the low that it made, which is going to be the wick. Because remember, the body of the candle is not the low or high that price made unless it doesn't have a wick. So if we look at this candle here, there's not, I mean, we gotta really, I mean, that is the low, so it's not, like here, the low is not this. That's where candle opened. This is the low. So, same thing, 4 hour, previous, this is our current, so this doesn't matter. You look at the previous, we're bullish. The low is that wick, so that is our area of interest. So this is the same thing as a smaller time frame. This is kind of the lower the wicks, we got a higher low, higher low. We should anticipate a higher high to fill that wick there. Plus we're bullish, so buys make sense. And if we go down to the 30-minute, these ones don't really make sense. These aren't going to make sense for what I'm trying to explain, but if we look here, it's the same thing. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So we're kind of just looking for the same thing to happen here. Form a support, or at least close above and make a new high, and then take price up. And remember, these rules are based on how I trade. It is not the only way to do it. So if you do something different, and it works, don't change it to do what I do, because if you found it works, that's what you need to stick with. Nope, no trade taken yet. Well, yeah, the bullish candle is also at resistance, so you wouldn't want to buy that anyway. But once it gets above, if you can get a good stop, then yeah, the trade makes sense to take. Thoughts on GA? Yeah, I'll pull it up in a second. I thought it looked messy. Yeah, GA looks like it's got some good upside. I think it's going to possibly come back down though. If GJ goes up, GA will probably come down. This could just be making the top wick for the daily. Looks like we closed below, but right on there. 4 hour. Yeah, I think it's going to come back down just because it made this low below here. But we didn't break this one yet. Let me check out the hourly. If you're looking for buys, I think your best bet. Let me check the bias. So bullish, which it broke. So you're looking for sells, but if it breaks the high, then I would say look for buys again. How many pips do we have here? Okay, so 30 look like. Messy. I think if you're going to take buys, your best bet for me personally would be above here. Honestly, I think this is just coming up to here, and it's going to reject and come back down, or it'll come up to here or here and then come back down. But we'll see. If it does go up, it goes up. I would still like sells unless we get above here. But the 4 hour really did something unique. It broke the low and the high. So I would say if this one pulls back and you get a bearish hourly close, then probably look more for sells. If you come back and get below here, for sure. If you stay above, I think buys could be where you go. But there's just looks messy on the smaller time frames. We'll see. Plus, I think GJ's going up, so we'll see what happens with GA. Let me just do normal analysis on it.
I agree, Paul.
Yeah, what?
I agree.
Which part? I said a lot of crap.
I agree with most of it.
Okay.
Because I looked on Aussie dollar and I looked on the counterparts, and it looks like Aussie just went down a little, and then it's going to bounce there and then keep going back up, which will push pound Aussie down and so forth.
That's what I was thinking. We'll see how it sets up. But like I said, I'm not doing anything for another 30 minutes minimum. So we'll see. It looks like 4 hour. If you get below here, I think those would be good sells. Even a close below here and a new low initiated would probably be a good sell. Otherwise, this is just really, really ugly to me. And this just feels like, with how long I've looked at GA and GJ and Asian sessions specifically, this feels like a fake out. Because the resistance for up here that held all through New York and I think London as well. Unless that was New York, so this is probably London, yeah. So this held through London and New York and then we broke. So it looks like it's just coming up to continue retesting that. Not necessarily breaking this, but retesting this to come down. If it gets above here, then I would be convinced that we would go up. But this doesn't convince me of anything yet. So I would just be careful with whatever you're doing on GA. Because if GJ does go up, granted I'm not taking any trade based on this, but if GJ goes up, GA typically goes down. So we'll just kind of see what happens. See where this sets up. If this pushes down here by open and closes below here, yeah, then GA definitely makes sense to go up. But I just don't like where it's at right now. 30-minute right here. That's probably where I would take sells once we close below there. I like that. And then we can probably target down here. And then, does that fill the gap? Kinda, yeah. Maybe get like a full gap fill all the way down to here. Check out the 4 hour could fall. Yeah, I really don't think we're gonna fall back into here. That's the other reason. So we can't.
I'm looking for that same momentum we had Sunday Asian yesterday.
Yep. So this was New York session and London session. With all that volume, we couldn't break back into this level, which is good because that is a crap level. So GJ should push up because it can't break through here, which means GA would come down if they work that way today. So that's why I think GJ is going to have a much better chance of going up than coming down, because this took what? This was all of last week, and now we broke up. So unless we were faking out, I think this one or these ones should have came down during New York if it didn't come down right away in Asian yesterday. And then we should have been breaking out of this bottom side if we were going to go down. We shouldn't be forming support and making higher highs, higher lows to go up. I feel like I just rambled for like 3 hours. Yeah, that's a super target. I don't think that's going to happen, let's be honest. I think if anything, that's 20. Maybe there. What is that? 60? Yeah, 70 pip move in Asian. Kind of rare. We didn't even get that in New York session. We barely had a move in New York. Alright, where's number one? Here we go. Bullish momentum since Asian session. Okay, I'm assuming that's where your bias is from. Buys above strong resistance. Strong 30-minute close. Next one breaking high, stops below. I like that. Oh, I missed number 2 and 3. Price minute high, formed resistance at pre-London. Yep. Okay, and then we came down and through London and New York. Resistance over London, New York. Yep. This is kind of our last resistance kind of during the day we made, which will be our most recent area to break. Yep. Beautiful, Harrison. Beautiful. I would pick one or the other, Lloyd. I use TradingView to map out my trades, but my bias is based on what my 4 hour on my MT4 looks like, which is bullish, so that's good. 4 hour still doesn't have a top wick on my MT4 yet, but then my executing the trades when I wait for those new highs or lows for my entries, that's on MT4, not TradingView. So I will put a little, like, I'll take like a little horizontal line like this, and I'll like place it like that. If I'm going to buy above there, once price breaks above, I press buy. But that's on MT4. So I wait for that confirmation on that, not TradingView. Just so it's consistent every time I take a trade. What up, Candy Royal? That's up to you, Eddie. The website is nicely designed. What website? Nope.
Oh, it's not yours.
Start at 5:30. What's up?
Oh, I said they were probably talking about yours. It looks a whole lot better now.
The live stream or the website?
Website.
Oh yeah, I had a very nice person design it. He did a really good job. Yeah, I figured if I'm gonna be a professional, I probably should have a look the part at least, I guess. Not have some dinky little Google Sites website. So I think it costs like $7 a year to have that website. So I was like, yeah, I could do that if I didn't even have a job. So, but thank you. He worked pretty hard on it, and he's super smart.
You said you were waiting an extra half hour. May I ask why?
There's this news at 6:30 that I really don't want to be a part of. Even though it's just a yellow folder, probably won't do anything. I just would rather wait. Plus, I prefer to wait till closer to like Asian Open to take my trade. I just do instant. I don't do pendings. What's up, Edgar? Yeah, trader, if you send a chart, I will pull it up and check it out for you. Gotta send a chart, though. Unless it's GA or GJ, you gotta send your chart. What up, Lewis?
We're 10 watching.
What's up?
We're 10 watching already.
Oh, yeah, wow. Oh, what up, Matt? How's it going?
55 people on the
Not
Zoom.
bad, how are you?
I'm grind.
I'm good. Yeah, we're getting there. Might hit 500 people this week. Need some more likes, though. Yeah, thanks. I was going to update it anyway, because I just didn't like how sloppy the live stream looked either. And then Rakeel messaged me and gave me some pointers. And I was like, this is perfect timing, because I was going to do it anyway. So then I added in some of his tips and stuck with the blue layout, of course. But dangerous, yeah, I'll pull up anything. You just gotta send a chart. If you send a chart and then you want me to go break the chart down how I would break it down, if you send a chart, I will go and do that for you afterwards. But you gotta send the chart first. Gotta meet me halfway. I'm not just gonna do all the work and do your analysis for you. I want to see you analyze it first. GA's climbing, huh? Yeah. Like I said, it could go up. I'm not all knowing, but we'll see what happens. if it rejects off of like here, anywhere in here, it's gonna be key. So I would just keep an eye out on that resistance. We'll say we'll mark here. See what happens. Check out the 15 actually. Yeah, so yeah, if you get above anywhere here. Excuse me. Wonder what that looks like on the higher time frame. Yeah, no, that just is out of nowhere. Yeah, we'll see what happens with GA. It looks like it's got some really good bullish movement. I just don't like anything till there. So maybe set an alert. Wait, what? Why does it put my alert there? There we go. Okay. Yep, that's the plan, Jason. Put the website as a layover. I'm not sure what you mean. I'm not a editor person, so that's just Spanish. Oh wow, up to 100 likes. There we go. Beautiful. And there's plenty of ways to support the stream. You show up every day, subscribe, like, follow the Instagram. If you want magic keys, order it through the affiliate link. I mean, plenty of ways to show support.
Was Magic Keys easy to set up?
Oh yeah, it was incredibly easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about getting those.
Yeah. If you, I mean, you can always message myself or Rakeel. And we'll help you set it up. There's a video that's very, very, very straightforward. If you can't follow that,
shouldn't be trading, right?
Then you shouldn't be trading, because it's like, if 1 + 1 is 2, what is 1 + 1? Like, it's stupid simple. So
I haven't heard anybody have any problems with it.
I haven't either. I had an issue in the beginning, but the issue was I didn't read the directions because I'm not that kind of person.
Yeah.
But yeah, once I read the directions, I was like, oh, this was easy. There you go. You jumped in us. I don't know what you're selling, but hopefully it works out for you. Yep, yeah, same trade, same strategy on every pair. For me, I'm assuming that's your UJ chart. Yep, okay. Let's see what you got. Dangerous. Oh, your link did not work. I don't know why. You must have sent the wrong one. Yep. Yeah, let me know how you like them once you get them, Matt. I think you're going to love them, but still be good to get feedback and other people's opinion.
Yeah, I'm ordering one right now.
Nice. They really are a game changer. Like, Like, ooh, something you can just press a button. Like, first of all, it's pretty dope to just have in general. So that's the first plus.
Right.
And then just like sometimes the market is just like boom, there's your trade. You're in and out. You missed it. You're like, oh crap. Like, if only I could have entered quick enough, that'd have been the easiest trade ever. You don't miss that trade with these.
Yeah, that happens to me quite often, actually.
Yeah.
Just
So.
missing out.
Yeah. It's not like you're gonna get it and boom, now I know how to trade. I can read price action like crazy.
Yeah.
I'm consistent. I'm disciplined. No, not the case at all.
It's a trade management thing, you know.
Exactly.
Like, I mean, I've always the second I realized that I could have a trailing stop loss in MT4, I was just flabbergasted, right? But just like for my runners and stuff. But then when Rakil came out with that, I was.
Yeah. So it's not like buy the magic keys, boom, you know how to trade. Right. It's like buy the magic keys, you were profitable, now you're going to be more profitable because you have that little extra edge.
Right.
Yeah, if I didn't like it, I would not promote it. If I didn't like it, I'd be like, sorry, Rakil, love you, buddy, but this is shit. But that's not the case at all.
I mean, just like the type of person Rakil is, too, he doesn't, like, if he puts his name behind something.
Yeah.
Like, I don't care what it is, you know? Just that type of guy.
Yeah. He was looking real pretty in stream today. He had his webcam on.
Oh yeah, those home renovations?
Some home renovations. Yep. Yep.
I put a chart inside of the chat. It's GJ that I entered on the high of the break of each one.
In the Zoom?
Yeah, Zoom chat.
Okay, Nathan, right?
Yep.
Okay, I just didn't see the name, but there's 2 charts. Alright. So everyone, I'm going to post it in the, everyone in Zoom, I'm going to post something in the chat, because the sending messages is getting a little out of hand, so I'm going to do something to make it better. Entry on break of 1 hour high. Stops 3 pips below. Is this GJ? So you're already in. Right?
Yeah, I just got him.
Oh, hourly. Okay, yeah, there we go. I think that looks good. I wouldn't say I think you're good because yeah, I think that looks good. If you get wicked out, which doesn't even look like that should happen. Yeah, that's just a 15-minute opening. Yeah, I think you're good, bro. That's going to be good. That should run up through support.
Oh, Paul, can you have a look at the trade that I sent to the chat?
Yep. Hold on, I'm going to send a message real quick. Oh, here we go. Is this your first one for tonight?
For me?
Bruno.
Yeah.
UJ?
What do you think about that one?
Well, let me read everything.
The previous 4 is bearish, but however the other one is really like bullish. And they left a big wick, as you can see.
Yeah, you don't think it could fill that wick?
Which one?
That wick down to the bottom.
Yeah, I'm a bit like, I don't know, but at the same time it's holding support in there.
Yep.
It's the 1 hour, as you can see.
Yep. If this, let me annotate.
However, my stop loss is really tight.
Yep. Stop loss looks good. Entry looks good. If this gets above here, I think you're gonna. I think you'll go up.
I'm not sure if it broke 100%.
I would check MT4. If it broke on MT4, then I think you're good. I would say that makes a lot of sense. I would just be worried about this forming a resistance here, kind of like it stepped down. It's got a range to fill, coming down. But if you break above, I think you're gonna head up.
It broke on the MT4.
Yep. And were your previous 4 hours what direction?
It's bearish. That's what I don't like about it.
Oh. I mean, you could just close out and wait.
I'm in profit actually, but.
Then do you, boo boo.
That's why I don't say that I always trade 100% of the time on the 4 hour previous one.
Gotcha.
But most of the time, yes. But I would consider the 30 min as a liquidity grab. Yeah, it's pushing now. So I will hold it. GJ's been moving really like shit. The move it happened was during the night. But now it's just been like goat shit.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I said in New York I kind of forced the trade.
You know there's free shipping too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Shoot. All right, I'm posting that message in the chat.
To the Zoom chat?
Yep, it's not for you.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Oh wow, we are almost at 500 today. Holy cow. Yep, no trades yet. I mean, I feel like the market moves pretty normal before the corona. There might be less ranging, but I mean, the market's gonna move regardless, and we'll adapt and trade it either way. But I would say maybe a little less nonsense and a little less ranging, but it's gonna do that whenever it does it regardless anyway. So I think it'll be tradable regardless. I mean, I think it just moves just fine right now. So a newbie can relate with content by checking out the website in the bottom center of the screen. There's 2 group options for learning. But yeah, if you let me know if that link I posted for you guys is clickable. It seems that it is. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I cut out for a few minutes. I had to take care of something. I guess I didn't miss much.
Nope. Wow, we are 40 away. This is. I think we just hit a new high. Yep. No, you're not left behind with the. I don't know if I've said this on here, but I think the Forex industry is starting to do what the fitness industry did in terms of like Instagram and Gymshark and fitness models around like 6 to 8 years ago. That's what the Forex industry is going to start to do and is already starting to do. I am 25, if I am remembering correctly.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Can you shed more light on what you just said about the fitness industry a while ago?
Oh, I just think the Forex industry is starting to become more and more relevant and popular in terms of traders, live streamers, mentors, courses, everything. It's just, I would say it's going to be comparable, if not even better, because it's cooler. You can work from home and make unlimited amounts of money work for yourself. That's cooler than just going to the gym, I guess. I think that would be more popular. But like 6 to 8, maybe, I think 6 to 8, maybe 10 years ago is when like the fitness industry on like Instagram and whatnot and started to like blow up with like clothing lines like Gymshark, Alpha Elite, personal training, online training, bodybuilding shows. Like it just blew up. And I think that's where this industry is headed. Obviously, Rakeel really paved the way and kicked the door down, and now everyone can kind of start to flood through and hopefully saturate it with good content and not just people selling a couple $1,000 courses with a bunch of garbage.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, because there's a lot of shit right now. Like a lot of people trying to scam each other.
And I think that's because it's newer. In terms of popularity, newer. Obviously, this has been around forever.
Yeah.
But in terms of like Instagram and live streamers, like it's very, very fresh. So I think people are just trying to jump on like, ooh, make money real quick, and then they'll fade out as time goes on.
Yeah. One thing I was gonna say is like it's the same thing as bodybuilding.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people on Instagram, they're like, oh, look at me, I'm really fancy and this and that. But they ain't going anywhere, like in terms of physique, because they don't have the discipline to diet and train.
Yep.
And the same thing applies in here. If you don't follow a plan, if you don't have the discipline, if you don't do what it's supposed to be done, you're just gonna be like showing to everyone, but not actually getting anything from it.
Yep. And you won't even be able to show, like, you'll see it on the streams. If someone's streaming, they're just gonna keep losing, or they'll just stop streaming. But I think we're gonna have a lot more good than bad. We'll see. If GA gets above there, I don't know. There's a lot more traffic to go up. There is a much higher target.
Oh my god! Look at UJ. It's already pushed up.
UJ did?
Yeah.
Nice.
I think I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even.
I mean, maybe GA and GJ both go up because the pound is so strong. Who knows?
Yeah, as I was saying, most of the times, like this last week, they were moving not correlated, the other way, basically. So UJ would go down, GJ go up. But right now, they are not doing that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why it's always, like, changing.
Yeah, like I said, I don't try to trade off of that. I don't even try to pay attention to it. But someone always says something, so it's always like...
Yeah.
I always notice it.
I don't trade out of it, but I like to look at it just to kind of give me more...
Yeah, it's just... Yeah. Yeah, we're about to hit 500 people. This is incredible. This is so cool. Thank you, guys.
Whoa, you got 500 people watching it.
Almost,
Hey,
yeah.
I'm here.
480. My
That's
cam is out of focus. That is your end, not mine. My cam is perfect.
Ooh, 480.
Yeah, I'm gonna post it up. I got a document. Got a new high tonight. Might even break the 500 goal we set months ago. Save that. You gotta document stuff like that. Someone sent a chart. I'm trying to find it. If you sent a chart earlier, if you send it again, that would be awesome because I'm trying to find it, but I cannot find it for you. Yeah, I got really lucky in every aspect, to be honest. I got in with the right people, young. I think I was like 23. Yeah, 23. And just connected with those people and just got really lucky, honestly.
How old are you right now?
What's up?
How old are you right now?
25.
Okay, I'm 23 too, by the way.
You're what?
I'm 23 actually.
Oh.
Basically, I started doing this after my birthday.
Last year?
Yeah, it was around November. So yeah,
When's
I did
your-
my birthday and then.
When's your birthday?
9 November.
Mine's November 1st.
Okay, you're Scorpio too. so yeah, like I did in 9, and then on 11th I started my live account, my first live account.
Man, you guys are so young. I'm jealous.
So then I just lost the money. Oh, the news came out. I'm at break even.
Yeah,
right
the
now.
only thing I have regrets about this isn't, the time I spent or how hard I've worked, but how late I began.
What do you mean with that?
With Forex, I wish I had started back when I was in my 20s.
Yeah, I feel you. Same thing. But the thing is the same thing as doing the gym thing. You always be like, oh, I wish I could have started training a few years back.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't train like that, but I started a physical routine when I was 37 or 38, and I felt so good after like 6 months to a year that I was just like, whoa, had I known this. So yeah. It is very similar.
Yo, King Keikos, we don't do that in here, bud. So when you come back, if you do that again, you won't be able to chat at all in here. So if you want to be a part of this, I'd recommend not doing that.
What did I miss this time?
He just said gold buy, UJ buy, something else sell, like just a bunch of nonsense. Yeah. Yeah, if you...
Yeah.
I mean...
I feel like there's some people out there that would actually take those trades, though.
Yeah, that's why we got to get rid of that right away. Because I'm sure somebody saw that and took it. 34, damn, JR, you old, boy. Oh, wait, no, I think that's the wrong JR. Sorry, unless that's JR Kennedy. If that's you, then I do not redact my statement. But if it's not you, then I apologize. You're not old. You're still young. I don't think that was him. I think that's a different JR. I wonder if that's the JR. Yeah, have anyone... How to see net positions? It's J.R. Smith. Yeah. Yeah. I'm assuming you mean the NBA player. I don't think so. I ordered some new glasses though, so I'm hoping that's gonna help. I got what did I get? Where are they at?
Oh, those are good glasses, man.
I hope so. I can't find the one I got though.
Yeah, that's a good brand.
Yeah,
like...
when I used to game,
Yeah.
their stuff is nice. I just can't find the one I got. It was the Cruise. Apparently, oh, here we go. Oh, I didn't get prescription though. Or did I? Maybe I did. I don't know. Maybe I got prescription on accident. But yeah, I got these. Oh. Nope, they were like $40. I did not spend $200 on glasses. But same color. And then I got the 65 lens tint. So hopefully my headaches will get a little better. Yep, thanks Matador. Appreciate you guys coming. Appreciate everyone coming. 30's not old though. I mean, not even close. I'd say.
Oh, you said you're getting headaches?
I was, yeah. I mean, I still kind of do. I get like my eyes just get super exhausted, and then I get headaches.
Yeah, that's how mine is. Right now, I have a headache just looking at the computer.
Yeah, I would get some glasses because I have blue light glasses. I always wear, but it's not when you look at your computer screen for like 8-10 hours a day, it's not enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I got those extra strong ones. Okay.
Yeah, I gotta look into this.
Yeah, they were. I mean, I paid for overnight shipping, so that was $39, and the glasses were $39. But I mean, otherwise I think they have free shipping, or it's like $4 shipping. But yeah, it's super. I mean, $39 to get rid of those headaches.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah, that's worth it for me. Your chart didn't work, Math. I don't know why. Sometimes theirs work, sometimes they don't.
Paul, do you wear prescription glasses or?
No. No, I clicked
so
on
you're just wearing a non-prescription blue light glass.
Yep. Yes, sir. But I just ordered better ones, so.
I wonder if they have them, because I have prescription glasses.
Oh. Yeah, they do have prescription blue light.
Yeah, I should look into that. Thanks a lot. That might answer something.
Yeah, Gunnar, if you get them, get the 64 tint. It's stronger than the just normal ones. But they take I think it said they take 3 to 4 weeks to ship those out if they're prescription, just because they gotta get it customized and whatnot.
Yeah, well, we'll be here.
Yeah, we'll be here for sure. Oh, did we break 500? Oh wow. Hold on, let me see. I think I missed it.
Paul, I have a question for you.
Yep, 1 second. With this chart, it looks like AUD might be super weak, so that's why the pound, Aussie, and GJ both might go up, as if the Aussie dollar is really weak. But then, is that saying we have yen strength then too? I don't know. All right, what's up?
Can you open the UJ chart?
Yep, 1 sec.
So basically, the 30-minute closed bullish, but without no wick at the top.
3 months later, we finally hit the goal. That is sick.
Man, that's awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you. $1K is the next target. You said pull up UJ, Bruno?
Yeah, because the 30-minute closed bullish, but without it closed with no wick.
Yeah.
When that happens, what should I do in that case?
Let me see.
And then the 5-minute, there's like a candle to the downside. A bit of rejection. I don't know if I either like close a position. I mean, I'm at break even anyways, but.
Yep. 1 second. I'm getting there. A lot of multitasking.
So basically, I got my entry on the week of the 30 minute below the first.
So like right here.
Yeah, 24, 25, 25.
I mean, maybe secure something and then just stay break even. See what happens. It still looks bullish. So. I mean, you don't even have a bearish 15 minute yet. So.
The thing is, if you look to the left, there's like a support and a resistance in there.
Yeah, but it's got to respect it first. Because price is bullish now. You have bullish candles all in your direction. And this actually broke above here, but it looks like it tapped into here. So I would say see how the next 15 and 30 minute close. Like I said, secure something maybe. Otherwise, just let it run at break even. If it comes down, takes you out, it's probably going to end up going down.
I'll do that.
Yeah. GA might be the move. If we can get above. We'll see. Like I said, if it forms resistance here, that's just the top wick of the daily, and we're going to come back down. Meaning GJ should go up. But I have the alert set. So. Let's see what happens. How long did it take to be profitable? Took about consistently, I don't know, probably like 8 to 10 months to really learn it.
I'm 6 months in right now.
How are you doing so far, sir?
Well, Paul, I'd say I'm doing pretty well. I've won like 8 out of my last 12 trades, which is pretty good.
Glad to be a part of that with you. That's pretty dope. At what, 18? Almost 18?
Yes, sir. 2019 in a few days.
You guys are learning much quicker than I learned.
I think I don't know. I think I just found Paul at the right time. Like it's like a
Well,
month.
no, I spent 2 to 3 years without even learning any setup.
Wow, really?
Yeah, I just studied TA and then I got so fed up with all the stuff that I was learning that I just started trying to figure it out myself. Like I spent 8 months on the 5-minute chart with Ichimoku once. Literally. 8 months.
Yeah, I went through all sorts of like bullshit. Like I had to sift through all of that to finally find some like real concrete like ideas and strategies.
So, the only thing I regretted on that little one was that I wasn't using the 1 hour and 4 hour in conjunction. I was just
not taking like higher time frames into account.
I was just on one time frame and I was just doing my own studies and I was marking it and it was pretty darn good. I got through all the you have to have a certain amount of chart time.
I agree.
For some it's less than others, for some it's more than others, but in the end, there's a certain amount of experience you have to have, and so it took care of a lot of that. But as soon as I started like looking into multiple time frames and conjunctions and all of that, things started coming together a bit more.
See, the thing about Forex is I think people underestimate the amount of time that you have to put into this to be profitable at it, because I mean I'm 6 months in and I'm still just barely getting consistent.
Yeah. And after 3 years, you'll you'll be even better.
Yeah, because I could give someone like the plan. So say I give someone my exact strategy, my exact plan. I teach them exactly how to do it. They would still probably fail at it because they just lack the experience of
Right.
how
And
it
that's
works.
why all these guys with their secret plans out there, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it really doesn't matter. Like you have to have some chart time on your belt for sure, some back testing, some simulating, dude.
Damn, 18-year-old dropping the knowledge bombs tonight.
Very good.
That is impressive.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got a couple charts. Let's see if they work. Get those out of the way before we hopefully get a good trade on either GJ or GA. Could you check this resistance in 1 hour as well? It closed bearish, 4 hour could flip, come down. Yep, I think that makes sense. You could come down. Is this GJ? Yep, my bias is bullish, so my sells are gonna happen. I don't know, wherever that 4 hour is, whether it's here or down here, that's where my sells will be. But that does make sense. This is the 30, but yeah, it does look like we could. We're bullish till we're bearish in my opinion, but these zones make sense. Analysis makes sense. As long as it follows your plan, that is a trade you should take. Was this Lewis? Yeah, this was you, Lewis. Yep, Lewis looks good. If I missed your chart, just send it again. Kind of just going from the bottom up to the top. Don't spam it 10 times in a row, but if I miss it, you can send it again or say, hey, you missed my chart. That is totally okay. Looks good. I think you need, I don't do trend lines, just preference. This makes sense because it is tapping there, but I would just be concerned because price is super bullish right now. I would say wait for a bearish candle at least to tell you that something's forming there to send price down. But I mean, it makes sense if it fits your plan. That's really the biggest thing. I mean, every chart I get, it just has to fit your plan. Yeah, anyone that is wondering if I teach this, just go to the website. There's a free group and a paid group that'll answer all your questions. Otherwise, this is free every day, Sunday through Thursday, 3 hours every day. I think I got everyone's chart. What up, JR? How's it going, boy? Yep, okay, I think I hit all those charts. Oh, 10 months. Yep. Yeah, I mean, like I said, you just gotta, I got in at the right people and was very passionate and obsessive with it, so. No, the giveaway was shut down a long time ago. Once we hit 1,000 views, I'm gonna give away something on my own. Probably fund $100, $200, or $300 account for someone, but that's not till we hit 1,000 viewers. Yep, yeah, Lloyd, they are great. That GJ is just not going anywhere. GA either. They're both kind of stalling out. So if GA comes down now and GJ goes up, that'll make perfect sense. If GA goes up, GJ comes down, that'll make sense. So did my alert?
I think GJ will blast off soon.
To go up?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm gonna set this alert again. I don't know where it went.
I'm not sure how long it will go up for, but I think it will blast.
Yeah, like I said, if we get above here and we get a new high, we're going up. Yeah, I know we'll get there. No rush. I mean, I probably got another 20 years of doing this minimum, so. No, yeah, probably 20. Maybe stop around 40 or 50, 45-ish. We'll see.
You'll be dropping like 50 lots on the daily, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, stop loss. What is this? AU. Close below support. your target down to that next level. You got free traffic down there as well. And that's a potential target. That's key. That looks perfect. I like that. Newbie trader, I think you need to change your name. I've seen enough of your charts. If you're the one that's been sending them previous days. I think you got it down. You just gotta execute and stay disciplined. And I think you'll be good. I mean, it's not all about money. I mean, if I'm 50 and have like a family and grandkids and all that crap, probably not going to want to spend time live streaming at 50. But I don't know. Maybe I'll be all alone and that's all I'll have. Who knows? Hopefully not, but we'll be here for a while. So. Yeah, I think either one of these are going to give a good move.
You know what I want to know is why is everyone asking you like how old you are?
I don't know. I mean, to be fair, I haven't posted many workout pictures. That's just because I haven't been working out. So once the gyms open up, you'll probably see 1 to 2 chart posts and then 1 fitness post every single day. But I don't know.
I know.
Do I sound
it's
old?
It's the monkey see, monkey do syndrome.
Do I sound old or do I sound young?
No, it's the monkey see, monkey do, and everyone wants to compare, and they want some confirmation of what they're doing, and especially these days, people don't think for themselves so much. So it's like, if he can do it, I can do it, and all of that stuff.
I sound really young. Fair enough. Yeah, that too. Very good analysis, Young Dime. Very good. Ricky, I'm only going long if the chart tells me to go long. Otherwise, I'll probably go to GA and take buys. Because either GJ is going up or GA is going up, and I'm gonna take one of those. Yep. My GJ spread is 1. So. Nope, no trades yet. We're still waiting. Where's Sam? I don't know where Sam's at. He's always just in and out. He might be here. I don't know. We got 50 people in here.
What's up, guys?
Yo, yo. Stream formulation. If you look on the live stream, it will answer your question for you. Nope, I've never done Nadex trading. I think I've heard of it though. Oh, yeah, no, I mean, it's all good, Ryan. I mean, I was answering the question. I don't really get mad.
Man, this GJ 5-minute is doing nothing.
It'll break out. Yep, nah, you're good formulation. You're good.
So what are you saying? It's coffee time?
I think that's what we're saying. I think you need to go do that.
Yep.
You're blind. Yeah, it happens to the best of us. No worries. I'm in no trades right now. We're just waiting still. Probably have one in the next 6 to 30 minutes is what I would guess.
No, can you bring me a bottle of water?
Nope, no pivot points. What you see on the screen is what I use. That's it. And then price action. Damn, Tomid. Damn. He came at me hard. I'm trading Pokemon cards. I think if you can be profitable, it's a very good idea.
I already have some.
I mean, it could be support. If price goes up, then yeah, I'd say that's our support. But it kind of broke the lows right there, so maybe we're going to pull back to that bigger support a little lower and then go up. Or maybe we just go up. We're kind of just going sideways right now. We've had 1, 2, 3. This will be our fourth 30 minute that hasn't done anything, so we will see. What up, Damien? Elijah? Yep. Yep, exactly. Jimmy just dropped the signal. Yeah, Javier, let's see what you got. Pull this chart up. I still think we're going up on GJ, but gotta wait. What is this, GA? Okay. Oh, did GA get above and I missed my alert? Oh, no, okay. Buys above 15-minute candle. Okay. Oh, no, GA is not high enough yet. Like I said, if it forms resistance and comes down, that was kind of what I said earlier in the stream, is it's going to form a resistance somewhere in this mess. And this will just be the daily top wick, and then it will continue down and break through this range. As this range was just done in the middle of the day, so not a ton of volume in here to really push it anywhere. So it's a lot easier for it to sit in a range. But that's only if we form resistance. It totally could pop off and go up, but it's got to do that first. Go, nice job. AUD strong. Yeah, we'll see. Alright, Hayden, let's see if this one works. I think the last one didn't work. Yep, there we go. Is this GJ? You don't think that will happen though? Yeah, I don't either. Because if that happens, we come back into that area. This is GJ 15. I like it. You got it above everything. Stop down there. I think if price inches up, you could probably have a tighter stop loss and make these pips up here matter more. And then daily wick fill is also my target as well. You can see right there, daily wick fill. All right. Make sure these magic keys are turned on. Alright, looks like we're gonna start to see something. It's the hourly doing.
Yeah, UJ is moving too.
It's moving up. Hey, no, don't go down there. No, don't do this today.
Yeah.
You lay down right there, buddy.
Yeah, he's 1 hour closes.
Pick a side. There you go.
UJ, I think the dollar is strong actually.
Yeah, that would make total sense.
Yeah. All the dollar pars are going down basically. Which means the dollar is strong. gold is dropping to.
I hope this closes better.
Oh shit, there we go.
No. Boo. Really? You gotta do this right now? No, get out. Not playing your games today, buddy. You gotta get out. No. Yep, LMFX. Perplexed, I don't know what you want me to look at. You gotta send a chart. You can't send a link. I can't even see my candle on MT4.
Same thing is happening on the 1 hour. It's gonna close without the wick.
On what?
On UJ.
To the upside or downside?
Oh, wait. To the upside. Oh, it's gonna broke the 4 hour. It tapped on the previous 4 hour. It is broke. What?
Yeah, GA formed resistance. Yep, yeah, it's all passed. I'm just waiting for the last, I have one more day to finish. No, he just likes to go lay under my desk by the outlet, and I don't want him down there, so.
Well, we broke the hours though.
Yeah, it kind of broke everything.
But we don't have a top wick right now, so.
Yeah, I think we're still coming up. My 4-hour MT4 still doesn't have a top wick, so.
Oh yeah, my 4 hour doesn't either. Dude, I feel like if this 4 hour flips and breaks the high, it's gonna fucking go.
Yeah, I was thinking of taking it if it breaks above this previous 30-minute, but depends on where this candle goes and what the stop loss is like, because then this will kind of be our rocket ship candle. So then we kind of just came down to the support. We're either going to break down and keep going, or we're going to break up. And I think if we break this 30-minute, we're going to break through here and see some upside. But depends on how big this stop loss is. Trying to map it out real quick.
It would be like a 7 pip stop loss for me or something like that.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Good luck, Kapil. Hopefully, just manage your risk and you'll be okay. Yeah, even right now it's just a 5 pip stop. We'll see. It broke both hourly lows. Yeah. It'd have to close above now for me. Yeah, it's going down to fill that wick, it looks like.
Okay, now man. 1 hour to go up. 5 minutes to go to break even. Man, I got my break even need. Oh my god.
Good though. GA and GJ should not both go down. One should go up. I think the next 15-30 minutes it'll pick its direction. Move this alert down a little bit. You can't send the link perplexed. I think I've told you that like 3 times now. You gotta send the letters like Elijah just did. Yeah, GJ broke all the lows, so I'm not gonna take a new high entry. I'd rather it close above and take a high off of that. But if GJ does actually go down, GA should give a nice move to the upside as well. What is this? NZD CHF. Close below support. Clean traffic to the left. Perfect. Good stop. Good target. Got nice traffic there. Beautiful. Yep. Yeah, Asian just opened, so we should see volume coming in now as we see that this one candle is bigger than all these candles. So you got to send a chart. So Samadium, you gotta send a chart. And they're both going down. I think GJ is the one that's playing games. It's gonna go up.
You've seen that before.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I mean, I wouldn't be too surprised if it looks bullish now, breaks the highs, and closes above, because it just does that sometimes.
Yeah, this will be a big rocket ship then if this goes up.
Yeah.
Yep. Ibrahim, let's check out your chart. There's a GA, okay. I don't think I pulled up your chart yet. check it out. Next, I can zoom in. Thank gosh. Okay. Next time, if you zoom in more on the candles, so it looks more, so we can see them, that would be great. Obviously, I can see what's going on, but it just would be a little clearer. So you got price broke out of 4-hour zone. It broke out of 1-hour support. Waiting for retest of 1-hour support, so you're waiting for it to pull back. Form a support there and then take an entry. Makes sense to me. I disagree, Francesco. If I said that right, I apologize if I didn't. GJ was incredible last night in Asian. It was, where was it? It was right here. It was just this move here.
That momentum is what we need every day.
Yeah, don't hold your breath on that for Asian.
Yeah, I mean, dude, those were just like some easy setups right there.
Yeah, GJ's gonna go up, GA's coming down. Yeah, possible, Jimmy. Very, very possible. It did break all the lows, which kind of puts me off on taking it at a new high. Plus, I think the stop loss might be too big. Let me measure. Go to 30-minute. Okay, no, it'd still only be 7 pips. Yeah, I just don't know if I trust. I don't know if I trust that. We'll see how these candles move. Let me check out the hourly. What is this wick? 305? Is that the hourly wick? It is, yes.
GJ's getting ready to push.
Yeah, I think I'll take it once it breaks this 30.
I hope so. I hope it's one of those 40, 50 pip blasters.
Could be. Oh, my candle disappeared on me. No. Oh, there we go. Alright. Alright, I got in it. See what happens. Really, Cat? Really? Okay. Let me set up my auto BE at 10. There we go. Okay. I'll be back in a second. Hey, can you stop? That's disrespectful. Oh, I pulled back on a little bit. Uh-oh. Where'd my mouse go? Here we go. 15 minute. Yep. Let's see. I'm not really working it out. It was just something I observed. Wasn't really, has nothing to do with my trade. Yeah, hopefully this is the rocket launcher. It would be nice. I mean, my MT4, it has not broken the previous hourly high, which I'm hoping we do. That'll be really good for confirmation to go up. But we'll see. Yeah. Well, he was just out there banging on the door and he knows he's not supposed to. Yep. Yeah, I wouldn't go full margin, but I think the hourly high is definitely a safer entry.
Hey Paul.
Yo.
Just got a quick little question.
What up?
Sorry. I was gonna just say, see where it dropped down in like the first 15 minutes of this Asian Open.
Yep.
I was gonna say like two reasons that could have been just because like a lot of volumes coming in due to the fact that the market just opened.
Mm-hmm.
Like it could have been grabbing a bunch of orders to head up.
Yep.
Right.
Yep. So yeah, okay. I believe we just broke the previous 15-minute high. Yep. So I would anticipate this to continue up.
Yeah, because like sometimes like those massive wicks do happen right when a market like Asian Open happens or New York Open happens.
Yep, and it could just be just more orders, more volume to have a bigger push up.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Sounds good.
Yep. Oh, we're almost to 600. Wow, this is ridiculous. Get rid of the cat and get a dog. For pig's sake, you better hope my girlfriend's not listening to this at her parents' house because she will probably kill you in the chat if she reads that. Alright, so we broke the hourly high on my MT4. Just about. So. If you want, Zam, it's up to you. It's your money. Enter, don't enter. Do whatever you want. It's not a Signals live stream. Your horoscope says you should be trading today. I've never heard that one before. That's a good one.
Hard to make friends when you're dissing pets.
Yeah.
Been there, done that. But I'm human.
Yep. Yeah, Diego. If you're waiting for a close above this resistance, that's perfect. I took my entry based on my plan. You got to take it based on yours. If your plan says wait, follow the plan and wait. Damn, he's snoring. Hey, buddy, can you snore a little quieter, please? Or not, do whatever you want. Sure, it's your house.
My girl is snoring too. She catches the best wrens at this hour.
Okay.
I'm really happy she can sleep through all the noise I make.
Here we go, GJ, come on.
Push, Queen GJ, push!
It might wait on this 30-minute to close here and then go. Once I hit 10 pips, I will put my stop loss to break even. Oh, wow, we're 9 away from 600. This is insane. Wow, we normally barely break 400. Yeah, if it breaks that 4-hour high, where is that at? Oh yeah, we're right there. Yeah, if we get above there, we should see more of a push. So that's right here. Yep. So this guy.
Ooh, bro.
Does your 4-hour have a top wick?
On MT4, no.
Okay.
Not yet.
Yeah, for mine doesn't have a top wick, which is also nice because then
we have to make
it has to create like a top wick.
Mm-hmm. You would think it does.
Yeah, I don't want to jinx anything, but I'm just saying usually it does.
Once it moves up 8 more pips. Hey, what did I just tell you? Are you fucking stupid? Once it goes up about 8 more pips, when it hits, when it hits 10 pips, my position will automatically be break even. I'm not going to touch it. My magic keys does it automatically. I'm just sitting here, hanging out. I told him, what, 4 times now? Don't go under there. And he's just like, man, I'm just going to go hang out by the cords under your feet. Like, no, you're not. You're going to get kicked in the face on accident. Successful Sunday streams will blow up your weekly views. Never thought about that. Rakil messaged me and he says, he's like, what you giving away at 500 viewers? And he says I should give away a protein bar. So, there we have it. Someone lucky winner is going to get a protein bar.
Oh, bro, we got to give away Tic Tacs.
Oh, that's true. I need to get a Tic Tac sponsor. I think once we get above that wick to the left, that 4-hour high, we're going to see a nice push. Yeah, if we hit 600 viewers, that'd be crazy. It's like right there. It could pop. Oh, I don't think we're above. Maybe? You want it? No, I do think I am going to do some sort of giveaway. Yep, we're above it now. I'm going to do some sort of giveaway. I'll announce it this week. But yeah, that's super awesome, so got to do something. Yeah, I think we could see a daily wick fill on this push to the upside, which would be up here to fill that daily wick right there. And make this a little prettier. Go. Alright, we are moving now. 5 minutes going up real nice. Yep. If you're new here and you're looking for the magic keys, you can, and you like what we do, you want to support it, you can click the link in the description to order them. And if you order them, please let me know, and then let me know what you think of them. Let Rakil know. Feedback's always good. Yeah, I wonder if it's going to wait 6 minutes and go on the next candle, or if this one's just going to go. Give away a magic key. Oh wow, that's an idea. Maybe. We'll see. I'll talk to the man. See if he'll send me one if I pay for it. Alright, so we hit another milestone there. Wow. Ooh, 5 minutes looking good. Ooh, there we go. Pumping now a little bit.
My 4 is right there about to flip.
Yours didn't flip yet? Mine flipped and it's gone.
It just flipped just slightly. Because my T4 looks different compared to the trading view.
True. Yep, I'm up about... How many pips am I up? It's not that. It looks like a lot, but it's actually not that much. I think I'm up about 5. So, one more push. But yeah, this big thing is only 20 pips, so... Yeah, I had a feeling it might wait for this 30 minutes to really...
I was gonna say we need 5 more pips to get the first one off and the stops at break even.
Yep. Magic keys, William. The little image on the bottom right of my screen is the magic keys. Go to the description of this live stream, and there's a link that will take you there and tell you all about it. It's the game-changing tool for trading. It'd be nice if it would make the move on this 30 minute and the next one just continue. But I had a feeling this one's going to close just a little bit above, so we get a retest and then continue. But, I mean, 5 minute could just keep pumping, so who knows. Hit 600, yeah, 602. I think
if we get a good close, I might move my stop to the 15.
I think YouTube is pumping us people. Yep, sweet, nice job, Joseph. Give away a funded account. I think we'll see. I got some ideas. I'm not gonna say anything yet, as I got to see if the ideas can even work. But we'll see. We'll do something. I mean, this is just ridiculous right now. But we'll do something.
Did the stream hit 600?
Yeah, we hit like 610.
Oh my god, bro! Congrats.
Thanks. It's pretty cool.
End of this week, 1,000.
That would be insane. I don't know what it is. There's just been a ton of growth this week, and it's. I mean, I didn't get any shout outs that I knew about. I mean, normally if Ted or Rakeel does it, my Instagram and stuff just goes wild for a little bit. But I mean, none of that happened that I know of. So I think this was we just hit so many people that YouTube just kept funneling more people.
Yeah, and it's generic social distancing growth.
Yeah.
Dorian Paul, got you out with a shout out. You might get 1 follower.
Bet. That's one more than I had. I have 2 positions open. Looks like 5 minutes coming back to do a little retest. Yep, no problem, William. Yep, yeah, they had the algorithm was messed up for a while. This is 15 looking like. So we broke the 4 hour here, right? Yeah, okay.
Next 15-minute candle should be critical.
Yeah, this close is going to be good too. Ideally, if we can close higher, the better. Or like a weak 5-minute close on this last 5 minutes of the 15. Probably have a smaller wick and just more push up. Came from Raja's channel. Yep. Yeah, I feel like a lot of people did. You have 13 positions open. Oh boy. Be careful.
Why only 13? Why not 21 or 100?
I don't even know if MT4 could handle 100 positions open at once.
It can.
Yeah, I'd like this to close a little stronger, but it still looks good higher time frame wise. Looks like we should just fill this wick and continue ideally. Rakil's been shouting out a fair bit. Okay, yeah, that would make sense. It's always got my back. I mean, that's a good 30. We're above. We kind of wicked above everything already, so we'll see. 5-minute close with no bottom wick. Could be a good thing. We'll see. What does this 15 on MT4 close like? Pretty decent. Yep, yeah, I saw him mention the channel a few days ago. I shared that. Yeah, I saw that. But I got a bunch of growth from that, and then I got what's been going on yesterday and today. But, oh well, we're here, we're trading. It's what we should focus on. And hopefully this thing will go straight to TP.
5-minute close with a higher low.
Yeah. It could wick down and then retest and come up. Because, I mean, my MT4 is a little gapped out. And check here. Okay, yeah, so this 5-minute did kind of do the retest. Yeah, so we'll see. Gonna kind of monitor it on the 5-minute. Yep, that's what I'm going to do, Teddy, is I will secure 75% at 10, 12 pips or so, depending on where we get, and then let the runner go for that daily wick fill. Nope, I do not trade gold. A runner. That's okay. It closed above resistance. We'll see. It closed bullish with a higher high, so we need a higher low and then another higher high, and we will be good. If you're not in it yet, I think once price gets above the high of this candle, that'd be a pretty good entry. Pretty safe. Yep, that'll be both positions. So I have 2 positions in. The magic keys will close 75% in total of everything that is in. All positions left will be break even. And then they will hopefully run to target. I'm from Wisconsin, Jason. Sometimes, Fletch. I try to just remember that some people truly don't know, and just give a good answer and not be a you-know-what about it. But there's definitely some people that just ask questions because they're just dumb questions that don't need to be asked. Oh. But the good definitely outweighs the bad, so it's not an issue. The other one TP's 25% Rasta. So I close 75% at 10 pips or 1-to-1, whatever my stop loss is. So stop loss here is about 7 pips. So 10 pips will be over 1-to-1 by a little bit. Maybe take it up 10, 15. I mean, we got super good traffic. I'll probably take it up closer to here, probably 15 pips or so, and then secure 75. But I'll be break even at 10 pips regardless. A runner is a trade that is just like, it's risk free and it's just extra profit that you could get if it runs to your higher time frame target. Yep. Excuse me. I like the zero count a lot. It's pretty good. Like I said, my spread right now is 1.5, and it's kind of bouncing between 1 and 1.5 for Asian session. In New York session or London, I don't trade London, but in London and New York, it is normally between 0.5 and 1, 0.5, 0.8 of a pip. Because right now my spread's at 0.8, 1.1, 1.2, so it's always really good, especially on GJ. On UJ, it's like 0.1, so it's not even, it's literally no pip at all, no spread. I'm hoping this 5-minute forms a support and comes up. Looks like 5 minutes trying to come up form support. A little bit more to go. Oh, flip bullish now. Ideally, I'd expect this 30-minute to do most of the move if we're going up. The broker is LMFX. I'll type it in the chat.
Well, the 4-hour swing target is 135, 180.
135. Oh wow. Damn, that 5-minute pulled all the way back bearish. That's just a 15-minute close of the hourly, I believe. I don't know, the hourly's still going, okay.
Intraday swing is about 133.5.
We'll run to the bathroom real fast. Oh, maybe I should not go to the bathroom. Yeah, maybe I should sit here and wait a minute.
Nah, you can go to the bathroom.
We'll start screaming if it does a 10 pips.
Oh, I got my phone.
You should just be able to go to the bathroom. It's fine.
JP220.
Oh, did the 15 not close? 15 didn't even close yet. Okay, I thought it just closed bearish. Oh, okay. Where it depends, don't miss a trade. No, I ain't about that life. But I respect your discipline to staying at the charts, I guess. I just open 2 positions. That's just what I do, I guess. I don't know, just my preference. I mean, it's super, with the magic keys, it's open trade, double trade, so I mean, it just makes sense, I guess. I don't know. If you want to just open 1 position with all your risk, then that's fine too. So as long as your risk is the same and it's not doubling it, like more than it should be. Five-minute broke. Okay, yeah, 5-minute did break there. Yeah, as long as we stay up there. Still got 2 more minutes for that 5-minute close. Higher the better. When I suggest another buy, I don't know if this hits TP. That'll be it. There won't be another buy. That'll be the trade. Yep. Yep, it closes half of both of them. So when you guys see 4 positions in my pictures, that's just my, or you see 6, there was 2 positions. I closed custom, maybe closed full, maybe closed half, then closed full. So that's why sometimes you'll see 4 or 6 positions, but it's actually just, if you put 2 positions in, magic keys, and when I close 75%, it closes 75% of each position, or 75% in total, and whatever's left, it leaves 2 positions there. That's all. What made me trust myself to hold my trades longer? Just more experience and more time on the charts, more trades, and just sticking to one plan and constantly just trading the crap out of it. I mean, if you go back and watch all the live streams, you're going to see I take the exact same setup every single time with the exact same rules and conditions. I think that's the key, in my opinion, is if you want consistent wins, you got to have consistent trades in terms of they got to be the same. So, and then live streaming helped a ton too. So, 12 seconds till the 5-minute closes is looking good so far. Higher the better though. Yep, Magic Keys is wireless. I've this morning I took my Magic Keys and my phone to the bathroom while I was in the trade, just in case I wanted to close my 75% at 10 pips. And then it was fine. It didn't happen, and I came back. It was fine. But it does work. About, I think my bathroom is, I don't know, like 20 steps away, maybe a little more. But my buttons do work. So it's got a pretty good range on it. Not crazy, but it's pretty sick.
Hey Franco, it uses a USB dongle like a remote USB mouse.
Yep, yeah, so if you have a wireless mouse, it's exactly what it does, pretty much. Was that 15-minute? What did we do? We closed like that.
It picks it up like a game stick, not like a mouse.
Yeah.
Not like a phone. Sorry.
So this current 15 already broke above the previous. But I was at just like a little gap at open. It looks like it had a little bit of a gap. Yep. I just like GJ, that's all. Just kind of my baby. I like how it moves. It works well with the style I trade, and yeah, I mean, pretty much it. Yep, yeah, GJ just doing his thing.
See that? She says, you want 10 pips today? You got to swing a bit.
Yeah. I'm gonna tighten up my stop loss. I'm gonna bring it up on the 15-minute to here, kind of manage the trade as we're going. Because if it starts to make new lows, then I don't really want to be in it anymore. So we'll see what happens now. So now I'm risking, I initially risked 2%. Now I'm risking like less than 0.5%. So, or about 0.5%. So that is how you manage your trade. I think Rakil made a post about it today. Come on, GJ, 8 minutes, let's go. Quit playing. Did anyone else's 15-minute make a high to the previous, or did mine just gap and do that?
Mine did.
Yours did?
It,
okay.
Yeah, mine did as well.
Because mine did too, but it has a tiny gap, so I don't know. I just don't feel like I can trust that high. But if it gets up there again, then I'll kind of believe it, I guess.
I'd like the previous 30-minute high to be broken. Kind of thing.
Yeah, I think that is going to be a lot safer. Or if this 30-minute closes, oh no, that'd be an hourly close then. Yeah, no, this thing should go in the next 7. I don't know. Because hourly already broke above everything to the left. Even, I mean, that is above those 2 wicks there. So our next target's here, which on the hourly is a bullish wick. So that shouldn't be too much of an issue. And we should get up to there. Let's see. Yeah, we look at the hourly. We are above everything. This bullish wick should not keep us down. This is a bearish on the 4-hour. It is, but we are above it, so we'll see.
Yeah, I set my stop in 1 pip profit. If it takes me out, I don't want to be in it.
Yeah, if it doesn't go up, it's not gonna. So my stop is like 2 pips, so I'm okay with that. But if it goes up, it should not hit that because it'd have to break 2 lows and then continue back up. This should either go up or it's not going to go anywhere.
Agreed.
Yep. I think it has a better chance of going up. But
as they say in Russian, "Я согласен."
Don't know what that means, but I'm assuming. Oh, there we go. Now we're going.
It means I agree.
There we go. Perfect. That should head all the way. That should head up to fill the daily wick. You feel it, Killer Goon. He called it. He felt it coming in, and it just came. Beautiful.
What's up, Paul?
Beautiful. Nope, no partial positions yet. I haven't even hit 10 pips. So once this candle closes, though, I will be going break even if it doesn't hit 10 pips because I don't like 4-hour opens. Or 1-hour opens for that matter, so I'm a monitor on the 5-minute. This thing's got a lot of ground to cover in 5 minutes. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, GJ. Had a girl.
You know it's not a lot of ground, and that's not the issue.
Yeah, not for GJ. No. Almost there. I'm at about 8 pips. Almost hit my break even. Kind of about 2 pips away. But this is the biggest candle of every 5 minute from the Asian session. This is the biggest 5 minute. So we should see a nice push up. Oh god, that thing gapped like crazy. That thing gapped up like 3 pips on me.
Yeah, I need like 1.5 pips more.
Yeah, it got like right there on mine. It gapped really hard too on the 5 minute. Probably just retesting where we just broke out of.
Yes, break and retest.
We go Taha, nice job. We get above here. Came right up to it. And GJ at 3 minutes. Yep. Thank you, Shamas. Hopefully we can continue up to that daily wick fill, or at least get up to this resistance here. Come on, 5 minute flippity flip. Almost there.
Yeah, hopefully we get 10 before the 4 hour.
If it's not, I'm going to be break even and probably just take it all. I don't like the 4 hour stuff. I think I can pop up a couple more.
I'm just gonna cut it after the hour.
I mean, we've seen it where it keeps running too, so
if it doesn't hit the 10 pips before the hour's up, I'm cutting it off. If it does, I'll set my runner.
And it's got a minute. It's got 2 minutes. GJ could run up a couple pips.
Just need like a half a pip. Come on.
I need like 2. Well, it's about 5 minutes. About to flip. I think we're gonna get another run. Oh, maybe not. Hey, that wick is holding something back. I'm gonna go break even. I don't want this to. I'm not gonna deal with it taking me out. So, if it hits break even, then that's gonna suck. So, but I'm not. I don't want to sit. I'm not gonna sit through more drawdown. That we kind of. I mean, we didn't really sit in drawdown, but not gonna it pushed up this hard. If it comes back, I don't really want to be in it anymore. So it's either going to go up, hit TP, or it's going to come take us out. And we didn't lose anything at least, so. Because, yeah, that 4 hour, I think that's that 4 hour. No, we passed the 4 hour wick. What is that holding us? We're past the hourly wick there, too, on my MT4.
I'm with you on that one as well.
Yeah, we're past everything, so I don't know what's stopping this, to be honest. Because this wick here on MT4, we're way above. So, and I always go off of what my MT4 says. So if it hits B, it hits B. If we run up, we run up. See what happens. How far with 15 minute? Yeah, that could. Where's my? Yeah, we're like stop up break even's like right in here. So we either go up or we don't. 4 hour closed, pretty good. Closed above. Maybe we'll see a little. Get a little push up. See what happens. Yeah, I mean that was what your gut said. We don't trade what other people say. Nobody should. And if that were yesterday, your gut would have been very wrong. But you secured, and that's what's important. People got to trade their stuff, not what some person says in a chat on a random YouTube stream. Definitely not a good way to manage your money by any means. Yep, I'm still in it. I mean, I won this morning. If this hits break even, I mean, that kind of sucks, but I'd rather break even than a loss. If it continues up to our target like we planned, awesome. But we'll see. We got a strong close now, so we'll see what happens. Everything's still bullish. Just
nice trade, Paul.
Yeah, we didn't win it yet. I mean, I don't know if we're going to win it, but it was okay.
I just took like 6 pips when I was there.
Yeah, I was going to, but I mean, that's just not.
Yeah.
Gotta get the 10 pips.
Yeah, that might have been the best thing to do. We'll see.
Yeah, if it takes us out, it takes us out. But I think there's still a ton of bullish movement to the upside.
Yeah, this hourly still has to make a bottom wick too. Even the 4 hour has to make a bottom wick. So I like the fact that we don't have a top wick yet.
Mm-hmm.
I 100% cannot tell.
Yeah, we do have a bottom wick, but how far down is that wick going to go is the question. We'll see. Yep, it was a good trade. It just, I mean.
Do you think it might have been because it was in the session?
Because of what?
Because it was later in the ASIN session.
I mean, we normally get the move around 7 to 7:30 because that's when it opens. So I wouldn't say it's later in the session. I just didn't want to move as nicely. Maybe. Oh wow, that came real close. Maybe because something over here, but this was an issue I was concerned about, but we got above it. So
I just got taken out 1 pip profit.
Yeah, mine has not hit yet. Damn close though. But yeah, so this wick was an issue, but we got above, so I think we're gonna continue up. I just don't know if I'm gonna get wicked out first. But if we respect higher highs and higher lows, and we respect that 15-minute previous, then my trade should be good. We'll see. You had a UJ by the hit B? Yeah, BE is better than a loss. Because you gave yourself the chance to hit take profit. And then if you didn't, then you hit break even. So you risked, you just got to take either profit or nothing. So you didn't even have risk on that trade, which is always good when you can get that happening.
I ended up closing some of my positions here.
Yeah.
I just hate when it takes time sometimes.
Yeah, like I said, I won this morning, so I'm going to let it do its thing, but hopefully we respect that previous 15-minute low and start to make a new high now. Because we have such a strong close. I feel like we should see more continuation of that.
Yeah, and just like it's a new hourly open, it's going to create like a bottom where it can do its little dance.
Yeah.
I have no problem waiting for the next move.
Yeah. If it doesn't do anything by 8:30, I'll probably just take it and close the chart, and we'll call it a night. But if we're going to go up, hopefully this 15 will start to do something. This 30 will take us up. That would be ideal. What up, Alex? Long time watcher, first time. Oh, I missed the question. You beat me to it. Gained 0.2%. I mean, that's better than 0%. You closed accidentally. Damn. I mean, that could be a good thing. This could come down. Who knows? Like I said, it's risk-free, so I'm going to let it do its thing. At least maybe get to 10 pips for me. Let's see. Recommend LMFX. Nope, I've had no issues with LMFX at all. They are very, very good, professional. They reply to questions quickly and efficiently, so I think they're good. But I think you should test it out and get your own opinion on it, and then make that decision for yourself. But I would definitely say they're worth checking out. Yo, Alex, tonight, Warzone, let's get it. The lady's gone for the night, so I have the whole night to myself. Yep. I mean, I have my full position. I don't have a runner, and I have everything in still, so I just want to hit my 10 pips and then go from there. Actually going to remove this BE trigger because it's already break even. Come on, GJ.
Looking like he just did a 5-minute retest of where he broke from.
Yeah, hopefully we pop up now. Yeah, Alex, I'll hit you up after this. Probably gonna eat after the stream and then hit you up. TP 500. Yeah, my target's kind of the daily wick fill. Yeah, Lewis. I don't think their demo has a 0 account, but the real account's really, really nice. I am on Xbox. If you want to play, just hit me up on Instagram. I'm not gonna announce it on here. That would be wild. I'm going to grab. Oh, maybe. See, second time I said I'm gonna go do something, and it just started to move. Oof. GJ's got a camera watching me or something.
DJ watches the streams.
Yeah. GJ's just in this little thing, just like, alright, go to the bathroom, dare ya. Oh, bathroom, okay, 20 pips. Yeah, no, I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick.
She knows when you're naughty and she knows when you're nice.
For real. Come on, GJ, break that high. Come on, GJ. Gotta break that high.
Hey, Paul.
Yo.
Just got a quick question, or just like an analysis. So see how it's like it's having trouble breaking it here?
Yeah, kind of.
Could it be due to like this wick over here? Because this is like the last thing I see.
Yep, but we already pushed above it.
Oh, we did?
Yep. So if we went to push above, yes, that would be an issue, but we got above it already, so that's why I think we should get past it and head up to the next area, which is that big candle up there to the left.
Yeah, because I was like, there's nothing else to the left except that wick there.
Well, here, just on TradingView, if you look, we wicked above it.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Barely.
Like,
so obviously another high is going to be much better, but
yeah.
MT4, the wick is here. MT4 wick is up here. So we'll see. We still gotta get a new high. Yeah, not the close I want on the 15-minute, that's for sure. It's the 5-minute doing. Oh, I just broke the 5-minute now. That's not looking good. Yeah. You just log onto their site and make an account, that's all. Yeah, I didn't have to email anyone. I just made an account, email, picked what account I wanted, and they emailed me, and boom, it was set. Gotcha. Yeah, that's okay. I mean, if you guys stopped at BE, that's not a bad thing. That's a good thing. I wanted this 15 to close bullish or like super weak bearish if it didn't run up already. Yep, exactly, Mojo. Beautiful. That's all you can do. It's so weird. We had all that volume come in to break the zone, and now we're just kind of getting stuck.
Yeah, the pullback made sense, but I don't know why it's not catching enough volume to move up.
Mm-hmm. Got 20 seconds. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's not cool. Yeah. We'll see. It's kind of dinking around stop loss now. Thought we were going to flip and go up. We were bullish. Yeah, that's a terrible close. And we are out. Awesome. Break even. Lovely. Probably just making a bigger wick on the hourly, to be honest. But it didn't respect. I mean, it is respecting the 30-minute, but still. 2 minutes was good enough. But that's it. Break even for the day. What time is it? 8:15. Yep, that's it for me. Nothing. Close the chart. Yeah, I mean, it happens. GJ gave us a really good move yesterday. It gave us this. So, can't do that every day. That's all. No worries. But I'm probably going to head off. And we will be back tomorrow. Same time, 5:30, as you can see on the screen. 5:30 Central Time. And,
Night, Paul. Thanks.
Yep. If you have questions on anything, you can always message me on Instagram. That's on the bottom left. And I will see you guys tomorrow.